Show me the lock is locked again, please. All right, not getting in.
No.
All right, now, what's the technique you're using here?
Okay, I'm just gonna basically thread in my tension bar
Okay.
into the what would be the bottom of the lock, although this lock is actually upside down.
Nice.
And then all I'm going to do is just basically apply pressure in the way that
The key would.
in the direction that the key would be in there.
Okay.
And then I'm just basically going to put in my actual lock pick here and just go along the tumblers along the bottom, all the way to the back, work it forward.
And you're home.